And if you need to get picked up, you just wander out on the tracks and you flag them down like flagging down a taxi. This train only runs twice a week, but I'm not planning on flagging it down. I've got something else in mind. But first, I need to get my snowshoes on. Let's see how she pulls. It's the dead of winter here in Alaska, and I am truly in the middle of nowhere. This railroad is my only connection to civilization. But here in a few minutes, I'm gonna leave this railroad and I'm gonna start hiking that way. I've got no trail and at least one set of mountains to go over, but I'm gonna try to hike my way back to civilization. And for the next couple nights, I'm gonna be making my own shelter. All right, this is where it gets tricky. I've got to find myself a path through these woods. I've got to climb about 600 feet in elevation. Once I do that, it should open up, but the snow is going to be really soft and deep in there.